What's up, Big Muscle Gangs Nation, nation, nation? Big Muscle Gangs back with another video. We are at the park. Oh, my bad. We are at the park. We finna go hiking or whatever like that on this big ass mountain. Right there. Brought Pop-Tart. As you can see, she being active as ever. You know, say what's up to the vlog share.
Hey.
So yeah, we're gonna try to conquer this mountain. Decided to take Pop-Tart somewhere and everything like that, you know, in the great Las Vegas. Look, the people over there in the background just playing. Come on, Pop-Tart, start smelling trash. And yeah, oh snap. This is gonna be a nice ass time. Yes, it is. So yeah, we are still walking up to the mountain. We ain't necessarily made it, but we made it halfway to the mountain. We gotta still get to the mountain. You get what I'm saying? We gotta get to the mountaintop, my people. Damn right. Damn right. Okay. Plymouth Rock. You know how the saying go. Shout out to Malcolm X. Damn right. So, got Pop-Tart off the leash and everything. She's exploring. You know what I'm talking about. She's shaking that butt of hers. Look at that. You know? So yeah. You having fun, yeah?
Yes, this is exactly what I needed. Relaxation and peace and quiet.
Make a little pit stop. Pop-Tart needed some water and everything like that, as you guys can tell.
I knew that was gonna happen.
So yeah, she needed some water. Now it is time to make some big muscle climbing gains. You know, we got the right climbing equipment. We're gonna strap Pop-Tart to the backpack. She is tired. I guess we done hiking. She's so damn tired that she's not going to drink water and stand up at the same time. She's not doing it. She doesn't even do this at home, so she must be tired as hell right now.
All right, break over.
Yeah, she just needed a little, you know.
Pick me up.
Yeah, you giving up, you get them?
Pop-Tart's good to go, huh, mamas? Aren't you good to go, Pupper? Bye. This is our first time at this mountain, and it's kind of reminds me of Red Rock. Not really. Red Rock was way worse. But, ew, don't smell that poop. It's nice because it's quiet, and that's what I need because I have to talk to people all week and deal with their attitudes. And right now, I just don't want to hear it. I just want peace and quiet. And that's what this is.
You say what?
She's gonna be so tired today.
Here, you see the people up there?
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if you guys can see them, but there's people up there.
It's not that long, Pop-Tart. Look at the bunny rabbit flippers.
Where? We going that way?
You're right up the mountain. No, I'm going around.
Oh, okay. Oh. This would be good for like when it gets super hot. Whoo, do like a Big Muscle Gangs commercial. This would be hey, this is perfect. We don't even gotta go to Red Rock. It's like, you know, get another drone or whatever. Just do it fucking right here. It's easy as hell. There ain't that much walking we gotta do to get up there. Do like an aerial shot with the drone. Come on, Pop-Tart. This is a nice little walk though. I'll have to tie my shoes in a minute. All right, so gonna show you, like, you know, show you a little bit more of the mountain and everything like that. My bad for not being in focus. But yeah.
Man, there's a lot of glass over there.
Oh, damn. That's a lot of glass. Yeah. The disrespect. People hate animals. All right, just know we gotta look down. So we see some glass. We want to pop Tart, you know, cutting a little paws. And then, you know, Sherry gonna have to carry it in her bosom. Ain't that right? You want to carry Pop Tart in your bosom?
Yeah, sure.
So yeah, I bet a gang of people be getting drunk over here in the springtime.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh shit, that is glass. Hold on. Come Pop Tart. They say bulldogs can't do cardio. I say big muscle gangs bulldogs can do cardio. She might roll down the hill when we get back, but she did it cardio nonetheless. she's trying.
You almost there, Peppers? No, she's trying to get pet.
I think you pulling her. I think you pulling her the whole way. That's what you're doing.
She's trying to get pet, see?
Come on, Pop Tart, go. Y'all have a nice climb.
You too.
Oh, yeah, dang. But the side hurt right now. Huh? Oh yeah, and less dangerous because them rocks was ridiculous over there. See, at least this one got some nice gripping points for your shoes and stuff. Because Turtlehead, Red Rock, it was horrible. I'm talking about, if you fall, it was so damn jagged, you cutting yourself wide open.
Come on, Peppers.
Come Pop Tart. Oh shit.
Don't fall.
I ain't falling with the damn camera, that's a damn show.
Yeah, don't do that.
I will lay that damn thing down so nicely. Come on, over here. Come on, go.
Come on, Peppers. Going down will be easier, I promise.
Pop Tart is making her way. Oh snap! She's making her way up the mountain. You know what I'm talking about? She trying her best. Her first time ever climbing something. So yeah, you know, we're gonna bring my moms and pops up here. Everything. Have a nice little family climb. Get them some family hike. Damn right. Can old ass black parents hike? Is the question for the next hiking video. Look at Pop Tart trying to figure out the way.
Peppers. Come this way.
All right, so we gonna finally make our way back down, right? The mountain and everything like that. You know, as you guys can see, we finally made it. You know what I'm talking about. Look at all that good stuff. Look at that. Oh, so yeah, got Pop Tart in my other hand because I don't want Cherry to fall. But yeah, you said you was gonna fall early, so yeah, it was a good time. We had a little snack. Pop Tart had a couple treats. Got some water in our system, and we're gonna make ourselves back down. So we are down and off of the mountain, hill, whatever you want to call it. Now we just on a regular trail walking back to the car. We didn't fall. We didn't fall, right?
No, we didn't.
Nobody didn't fall. Awesome. You know what I'm talking about? Whew. You know what I'm talking about? Because I got the camera lens in my backpack, and that's like $500. It would have been all bad, but you know, having fun. Pop Tart is having a time of her little life. You know, let's go. That baby is
crying or laughing.
Look at that. See what I'm saying?
This is what we're gonna do next time. We're jogging this next time.
Oh yeah. Oh, he got the backpack on her.
Aww.
So yeah, that was it. You know. Hopefully I got enough cinematic shots and everything. You know. I want to do a whole lot more filming, but you can't really do that when you got a damn bulldog and you got to carry the bulldog up a couple parts of the hills and everything like that.
You didn't know that person?
I hope they do, because them kids finna get snatched up.
I would be. They did not know that person.
So yeah. Oh, here's the freeway. Take that freeway every damn day to get to work. So, in the meantime, what's for lunch though? That is the next question. Dun dun dun
You're
dun.
always hungry.
Dun 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 dun. What's for lunch?